Hi. So, as you're getting ready to record and edit your podcast, I wanted to show you a really great feature inside of Audition that you can use to make some really easy edits to your own voice. And that is the effects rack. So, you'll see in front of you, I have my project open. All of my files are over here. These are my audio files. This is an interview for a podcast. This is my music rack. And you'll notice that if you look here in the multi-track editor and you scroll down just a little bit, you have the option of adding effects. So I want to show you how to do that. You're going to click on the arrow. You want to make sure that it's turned on. And you'll notice that you have the ability to add all of these different presets to your voice. And so for the purposes of our class and the podcast, you're going to go to Filter and EQ and then scroll down to Parametric Equalizer. The Parametric Equalizer is going to pull up, and they all will pull up a rack effect. And you'll notice right here that you have presets. I am going to go to the preset that says Vocal Enhancer. But when you get a chance, just play around with this to see what it does actually to your voice. There's some pretty fun, you can do some pretty cool things with just a rack effect. So when you click on Vocal Enhancer, you'll notice what happens to the voice, right? It puts a preset on it and it makes it sound different. So I'm going to click out of here and then we're going to play it.
Up to the next level of houses, and they're all yellow,
Okay.
pink.
So if I were to take off and remove the effect,
Green,
I
orange.
don't know if you can hear it. It does sound different. So try that out. Try using the effects rack inside of Audition. Play around with it. These are ways that you can, really clean up your audio file. I think it's pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of different things you can do. In fact, there's probably thousands of different effects that you can apply to music and your voice. But for just the purposes of this week in this class, I wanted to introduce you to the filter and the EQ effect and the parametric equalizer. And then again, you're going to go on Vocal Enhancer. And that will really make the voice round and robust. So I hope that helps, and I look forward to listening to your podcasts.